This is GObike Buffalo's Fillmore District project that we are working on to add some painted crosswalks and painted bump outs, which are also called curb extensions, to reduce the pavement width at the intersections. It provides greater traffic control. So this software is called Remix, and this is a quick demonstration of how to use the software. Here we are at the intersection of Prospect and Carolina, and we are showing crosswalks and painted curb extensions or bump outs here with hatching, and there's also these little white dots represent vertical delineators. This intersection also has rubber form curbs with yellow paint around them to separate the direction of travel. So Prospect is a one-way street, however bicycles can travel in both directions. So this software, you can change the background. Right now the default street background is on, but you can change it just by clicking this button down here. You can show the satellite imagery behind it. There's a couple choices you can use, but this button here will allow you to change the direction or the orientation of the north arrow if you like. This button here changes the street opacity or the transparency of the improvement. So if we change it down to 50%, for example, you can see underneath the improvement to see a little bit more context of what's happening. Set that back. The other thing you can do with this software is click on this design section here, and it'll tell you what's happening. The parking lane is 8 feet wide, the street is 20 feet wide, and this parking lane is another 8 feet wide. So the street in total is 36 feet wide. And then here is a different section. So this is what we're proposing, to stripe this area out. And likewise over here, we have it changed down to be 5 feet for the bike lane. And if you hover your mouse over, you can see what happens up here. And then this is the buffer zone and the travel lane, and again the curb extension. So this is what's happening when you click on those. You'll see a blue box pop up. The other thing you can do is post comments with this tool at the upper right. It says post comment, and you can click on the map anywhere and make a comment, for example, about this crosswalk. And you can leave your name and email if you like for further view. But we look forward to your comments on this project. Thank you very much.